Good morning, my friends. I found the problem on my Ryobi, small Ryobi lawnmower. Look at the oil that drip out of the carburetor. All that is sit here is the air cleaner assembly, and I discovered that this breather pipe that came from the block is a one-way valve, and the one-way valve sit inside there. This is where the pipe connect. That pipe connects there, and inside there is a one-way valve that will only allow air to escape from the engine block in a vapor form to this area. But when the piston go up, the one-way valve here must close, otherwise it suck air into the carburetor or into the engine block, and when the piston come down, it will blow all the oil right through to the carburetor, and that's why it starts smoking. And you can see here all the oil come not from the piston side up to the combustion chamber. It is direct through this breather pipe right into the carburetor. So this is where the problem lies. So I'm going to see if I can clean this passage, because it is integrated into this assembly. Otherwise I will put a one-way valve here, which I have. It's a vacuum one-way valve that came from my car brake system spare that I have. So I'll put it inside here so that it allows air to go that side and nothing back. So now I can blow right through to the engine and back. So let me make a plan with this, and then we can start it up and see if the smoke is that comes and go is away. Because I read up, it will create a situation where the engine smokes and then it burn off the axis, and then the whole cycle starts again. So that is exactly why. Okay, my friends, so let me take it a step further. Okay guys, here is the one-way valve that is come from the brake system of my car. So this is in 100% condition. I just need to block that hole, but this works still very good, and it seems if it will fit nicely into that pipe. And the correction, I don't think inside here is a one-way valve. It is really 100% open. I think it sit somewhere, I can't see now, but I think it sit inside there, maybe inside the block, but I'm going to put one outside, and that should make all the difference. Okay guys, here's my modified one-way valve. So I blocked that little hole there, and it's open to that side and not open to that side. So let me install it quickly, and then we can go for a test. Okay my friends, my problem is a little bit bigger than I thought. You see the little pipe there? In the beginning I could blow into the crankcase with my mouth and suck. And I've done this modification now and want to put it on, and then I put it through there into the into that fitting, and I try to suck, and it's a vacuum. My tongue stick to this point, and it won't blow inside as well. So that valve, the one-way valve, is inconsistent. So in the beginning I could blow through and back, and now it is totally stuck in both directions. So the original problem is the one-way valve inside. So I need to clean it from this side with carburetor cleaner maybe. I believe it's dirt that sits there, because I can't see that I can take it out. It is definitely inside. So this is a big problem. So I think I'm going to take the chance and clean it with carb cleaner from the outside in. And just remember that there is some flammable fluids inside that must evaporate first. But that's all I can do now. So I'll bring you back. Guys, I want you to listen to this test. I'm going to suck on this point here. So this is open, this valve is correct. So I'm gonna suck, and then I'll take my mouth away, and you will hear how the crankcase vent inside. And that is totally wrong. So just listen. Could you hear? That is totally wrong. That means the crankcase can't vent, but it's now stuck. So sometimes it do, but then it is stuck open so that it blow oil inside this area. Okay guys, I'm going to do one test, and that is while it's running. So I did not couple this to the air cleaner. I'm going to leave it here, and then I will feel with my finger. If it creates a vacuum, there's a problem, because it's not supposed to make a vacuum here. It must let air that side and just block. There must be no vacuum, or the wind must come out. Or if there comes straight oil out, that means that valve is blocked or closed open, so that it don't shut off when the piston go up. So it can be permanently stuck open or permanently stuck close. That's one of the two problems that it can occur. So I'm going to test it with my finger here to confirm what is the problem. Or it might be for a moment be okay, and then at a point it gets stuck. So that's the three scenarios that we can have. Okay guys, now it don't smoke, and there came only vapor outside. That's okay, that is normal. So let's give it a chance to start smoking. Okay guys, did you see that? It just start
it runs fine, and then the next moment it pump out oil here, and that is when that one-way valve inside is stuck open, and it's supposed to close. So it worked fine for a while, and then suddenly it happened. It was just sudden. I take you off camera. It ran fine for a good 2 minutes or longer, and then all of a sudden it just flood over here. So this is the problem, guys. It's not something else. It's, gasket or rings or so. It's one-way valve. That's what I expect. It must open and close all the way.